In the world of fine craftsmanship and innovation, one name stands as a symbol of excellence. Doit Industries Limited. Founded with a vision to revolutionize the jewelry manufacturing industry, Doit is now synonymous with trust, precision, and advanced technology. We've made it our mission to empower every jeweler, from small business owners to global enterprises, with tools that are not only powerful but intuitive, reliable, and scalable. At Doit, we understand the needs of modern jewelry manufacturers. That's why we offer not just machines, but complete solutions that transform the way jewelry is crafted. Whether it's gold, diamond, silver, platinum, or brass, our technologies adapt to every metal and every imagination. Behind our innovation lies an unwavering commitment to deliver excellence every time. Backed by decades of expertise and a team of passionate professionals, Doit isn't just a brand, it's a movement shaping the future of jewelry manufacturing. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Doit. At Doit Industries, our product line is vast, versatile, and built to perform. We offer more than 400 high-performance machines and over 600 specialized consumables, all meticulously designed to serve every stage of jewelry manufacturing. But we don't stop at machines. Our consumables, crafted to meet global standards, include plating solutions, alloys, galvanic chemicals, ultrasonic and magnetic cleaning solutions, and ceramic and resin, decorative products, all designed to ensure consistent output, reduced waste, and optimized production. Each product is developed by our in-house R&D, engineered for excellence and tested under rigorous conditions. Our solutions adapt to new trends, respond to client feedback, and evolve with the changing demands of the market. Whether you're a boutique, studio, or a mass production unit, Doit ensures your business gets more than machinery. You get a trusted partner, a performance guarantee, and the confidence to produce world-class jewelry. Doit Industries is more than just a manufacturing company. We are a global ecosystem with multiple showrooms and facilities spread across India and a growing presence in key jewelry hubs worldwide, including America, Asia, Gulf countries, and more. We bring our solutions closer to the heart of every jewelry market. Our infrastructure includes state-of-the-art manufacturing units, dedicated R&D labs, modern training and demo centers, and a robust logistics network. Each space is built to ensure speed, accuracy, and unwavering quality control. At the core of our success is our exceptional team. Over 200 skilled professionals, master designers, engineers, and technicians who carry decades of hands-on experience. From innovation to installation, every product we deliver is crafted with precision and purpose. Our digital marketing and customer support teams stay connected with clients through every stage of the journey, sharing updates, providing demos, and resolving queries swiftly, representing every region of India and worldwide. Our diverse workforce reflects the unity, integrity, and passion that powers Doit Industries. Whether you connect with us in person or online, you'll encounter the same experience. A people-first culture backed by one of the most advanced infrastructures in the industry. At Doit, we build more than machines. We build relationships rooted in trust. Innovation is the heartbeat of Doit Industries. We continually invest in emerging technologies, from advanced KM software and 3D printing to precision laser systems and AI-driven diagnostics, ensuring our clients stay ahead of the curve. But innovation means little without support. That's why we offer comprehensive after-sales service, with expert solutions delivered within 24 hours of every request. Our dedicated demo and training centers provide real-time assistance, both online and offline, empowering users to make the most of every product. We are present across Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and popular e-commerce platforms. This ensures our clients have instant access to updates, support, and purchasing options wherever they are. At Doit Industries, we're not just building technology, we're building the future of jewelry manufacturing. Partner with innovation. Partner with excellence. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us online, and experience the transformation with Doit. At Doit Industries, our ecosystem of specialized companies drive innovation across the jewelry value chain. Digifab, Rendar Jewellery, designs for jewelry. Road to it, Divine. Duasti, Profigast, Proficom, Met to it,